Have you ever wondered, is that my intuition talking, or am I just overthinking everything? Well, girl, you are not alone. Here are 4 reasons why you may be doubting your intuition, and I'll throw in what you can do about it. Number 1, you are actually overthinking everything. Intuition whispers. Fear and anxiety, they scream. If you're tangled up in analysis paralysis, you won't hear that quiet nudge. Number 2, hard truth, beautiful. If you don't trust yourself yet, you will not trust your intuition. Start small. Trust yourself with the little things first. Number 3, maybe you're trying to control the outcome. If you're forcing an answer because you're scared of an outcome, it's not your intuition talking, that's fear wearing a fake mustache. Number 4, maybe you're disconnected from your body. Intuition speaks through your body first. So if you're not tuning into those gut feelings, the tight chest feeling, the tingles, or those calm, quiet nudges, you're missing the signs. Trust me, your intuition is alive and well. It's just waiting for you to quiet down, tune in, and to trust in your own magic.